Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to add media and entertainment industry Facebook leads to Google Sheets. Suppose I am having an event management company for which I am running an ad on my Facebook page, and now I want that whenever a new lead will be generated through that Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of the same lead will be added in my Google Sheets in the form of a new row. So how we are going to do this process automatically and effortlessly? For that we will have to integrate Facebook lead ads with Google Sheets, and for that we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now what we are going to do, we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Google Sheets in our action. So we will be connecting both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of the same lead will be added in my Google Sheets to create a new record. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically add the details of our Facebook leads for media and entertainment industry into Google Sheets. Okay, so let's start learning this process step by step. Now to create this automation, we have to integrate Facebook lead ads with Google Sheets, and for that I am going to use an amazing automation and integration software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach directly by typing on pabbly.com/connect this URL on our browser. Now as soon as we will reach on this homepage, we can find two options here, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free button to create your free new account, and it is going to take only 2 minutes. Also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to explore this amazing software. Now because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And this is the all app section of Pabbly, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. Now to create this workflow, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now, and it will take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create multiple folders like this so that we can save our workflows in them. Okay, so as you can find that I have two folders here. In this test integration folder, I have a lot of workflows saved, and in the same manner, you can save your workflows in your folders. Okay, now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's click on it. And here a dialog box is appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So let us provide a name to this workflow. So I have given the name as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets automatically, and after providing the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So from the drop down, I have selected my folder as test integrations, and now after this, let's click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? The trigger and actions are the two main concepts on which the entire automation works. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Now whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the action is going to follow the same. Okay, let's suppose in this workflow we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Google Sheets in our action. And we want that whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of the same lead should be added in our spreadsheet. Okay, so this is the trigger in action. Now let's start creating this workflow. First of all, we will select our trigger application as Facebook lead ads. So let's select it. And now we will select our trigger event. So the trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger. Now here from the given option, we are going to select new lead instant in our trigger event, so that whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically the response is going to be captured here in Pabbly Connect and the workflow is going to be triggered. Okay, so let's select the trigger event, and now we have to click on connect. From the given options, I am going to select add new connection to build a new connection with Facebook lead ads. But if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. So after clicking on add new connection, we have to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Let's select it. And since I was already logged into my Facebook account, therefore Pabbly Connect has already deducted it, and Facebook lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect. Okay, now let's move on, and now we have to select the page and the lead gen form associated with it. To understand this, let me first take you to my Facebook account, and here on this account we can find that I have multiple forms. Okay, so among these forms, this is the form named as Sparkle Evenings, which I have created for my event management company. And on this page, I am running an ad campaign, and I want to promote this business with the help of lead gen form, through which I want that whenever a new lead will be generated through that lead gen form, automatically the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. So therefore, we will first of all select our page. From the drop down, I have the page as Sparkle Evenings. I have selected it. And here we have to select our lead gen form associated with that page. So I have created multiple forms here. So from these options, I want to select this event registration form, as I want that whenever a lead will be generated through this form, the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. So I have selected it. Now we will click on save and send test request. And here, as we have clicked on save and send test request, we can find that it is showing waiting for webhook response. That means now we have to do a test submission so that the response could be captured here. How we are going to do that? By filling up this form. Now in order to test our integration, let me take you to Meta for Developers. And here, after coming on Meta for Developers, we have to go on My Apps. And here from the top we can find the option of tools is given over here. So let's select it. And it will take us towards developer tools. So under other developer tools, we can find the option of lead ads RTU debug tool. Let's select it. And this tool is going to help us in order to test our integration. So basically, with the help of this lead ads testing tool, we are going to test our integration by filling up the form so that the test response could be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, now here first of all we have to select our page. So from the drop down, I have selected my page. This is Sparkle Evenings. And the form associated with it is already selected over here. Okay, now we will fill the form by clicking on preview form, and the form is open in front of us. So now here we have to enter all the details in this form so that it could be submitted. Basically, I have created this form for registration. That means whenever a person is going to fill up that form, that person will be registered for my event. And whenever they will submit this form, automatically the response is going to be captured in Pabbly Connect. With that response, I am going to create a record in my spreadsheet of all the details of the leads, such as full name, email, contact number and age, so that I can nurture the leads further and I can book their seats for my upcoming events. Okay, now let us first of all select the age, and here I am going to select the age group as 18 to 25. I am going to enter a random contact number. Okay, and here is the email, so I am going to enter a random email. New test 456@pabblytunes.com, just a random email. And now I am going to enter a full name. Let's say new user. Okay, so after entering all the details, let's click on next and we will click on submit. So our form is submitted. Now let's go back on Pabbly Connect, and here we can find that we have received the response. So as soon as the form is filled, automatically the response is captured over here. Okay, so with the help of lead ads testing tool, we have submitted the test response, and now by using this response, we are going to create a record of leads in our spreadsheet. So this is the spreadsheet which is named as Sparkle Events, which I have created for my event management company, and I want to record the details of each and every lead which is generated through Facebook lead ads in this particular spreadsheet. So we will be creating an automation that whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically the response is going to be captured here in the form of a new row. Okay, so the fields in this spreadsheet are name, email, contact and age, all the details which we have received from Facebook lead ads: age, contact number, email and full name. Now let us move towards our action step so that we can send this response towards our spreadsheet. Okay, now here in the action application, I am going to select Google Sheets. Let's select it. In my action event, I am going to select add new row. Click on connect. And from the given options, I am going to select add new connection so that I could build a new connection with Google Sheets. And now we have to click on sign in with Google. Let's select the account. And now we have to click on allow to give the permission to Pabbly Connect in order to access our Google account. Let's click on allow. And here our authorization is successful. So since I was already logged into my Google Sheets, the authorization has become successful very easily. Okay, so you also have to keep in mind always to keep login to your applications before making up a connection with Pabbly Connect, as it makes the connection simple and easier. Now let's move on, and here we have to enter the details. First of all, we have to select the name of our spreadsheet. So from the drop down, I'm going to select the spreadsheet name as Sparkle Events. And because I have only created sheet 1 here, so the sheet is also selected. Okay, now let's move further, and we have to enter the details of the leads here. So we have received all the details from our Facebook lead ads response. We are going to use same response in order to map the details over here. Okay, so we will start mapping the data one by one. Mapping is inserting the data from our previous step. So we just have to select our previous step like this, and here are all the details. So first of all, it is asking us for the name. So we will select the name and it is mapped. Okay, now because we have mapped the data instead of entering it manually, therefore now every time a new response will be captured from Facebook lead ads, automatically this field is going to be changed according to that new response. That means in the place of this new user, a new name of a new person will come here. Okay, now the next is email. So we will map the email in the same manner. The email is given over here. We will select it and it is mapped. Okay, contact number. So we have mapped the contact number also, and at last the age group. So this is the age group. We have selected it and it is mapped. Now after mapping all the details, let's click on save and send test request. And here we have received the response. Now let's go and check on our spreadsheet, and here we can find that yes, automatically a new row is added over here along with all the details of the lead which we have received from Facebook lead ads. So in the same manner, by setting up a simple integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets, we can create an automation which will enable us to automatically record the details of our Facebook leads here in our Google Sheets. And once we will create this integration, we will not have to do anything manually after that, and automatically all the details will be captured here as soon as a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads. Okay, so this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.